Turn on your mobile phone, click on ads, and earn money. 3 simple steps that you can take towards making money online, the fast and easy way. Lots of people have been doing this from all over the world right on this website. All they do is click on ads and they earn so much from it. You can do it too. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer and you're set. It's totally free. You don't need to invest any amount of money to get started. In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up for a free account and provide demonstrations on how exactly you can earn from here. Be sure to stay tuned because I'll be giving out special tips towards the end of the video. Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money. I'll be showing you how you can click on ads just like this using a phone or computer and how you can make a lot of money online just by doing so. Just like hundreds and thousands of people right here on this website making real money. First of all, I want you to go onto this website right here, which is called scarletclicks.info. Basically, you can earn money on this website by clicking on ads provided by them. It's really simple. You can see here the amount they've already paid to their members, which just right beside it, you can see how many people are with this website. And these are people coming from all around the globe, earning money the same way through this website. Let's start off with setting up your account. All you have to do is click on this button right here, on the top right corner, the register button. This will bring you to the sign up page where you input your full name, your date of birth, and the username with your password. Putting your email address is very important as well. And as you scroll down below, here under payment account, you can place in all the details and choose via which system you want to receive your money in. For example, you want to receive your money and be paid via Payeer, or Neteller, Skrill, RTM, Litecoin, Dash, or Faucet Pay. You can choose either of these options and input the information being asked. Given that you prefer to receive your money through PayPal, you can set this up once you've successfully signed up your account to which you can log into it. Once you've filled in all the details required, you're going to have to do this image verification, wherein you have to identify the symbols being shown in the picture and then type it in those symbols, which are usually composed of letters and numbers. Once you're through with it, make sure to tick the box agreeing to the terms and condition, and lastly, click on the register button to conclude your signing up process. After this, you now officially have an account that you may log into every once in a while or whenever you want to work on the website. When you log into your account on Scarlet Clicks, you'll be able to find different ads that you can click on from a picture that's been divided into smaller squares. Making the picture look like a grid has been placed over it. You can click on each of these boxes for an ad to appear, wherein you have to watch or stay in whatever website it brings you for 30 seconds. If you notice on the right section here, you can see a list of profiles. These are people who are actually making money the same way as you are on this site. For every ad you click on, you can earn around $1.50. In this picture to your left, you can see that it is made up of so many tiny boxes. Each box contains an ad that you must watch for 30 seconds. Some boxes may take you to random websites that you have to stay on for 30 seconds so that your profile may be considered for payment for opening or clicking on such an ad. Now this is very important. You don't have to do anything when you're on a random website. You don't have to click on anything, but rather just stay on the website for 30 seconds and you can receive your payment. A reason why I love this website so much is because there are a lot of boxes in just one picture. And every single time I click on the boxes right here, I can actually make money online. It's so easy. Right here at the bottom, you can see the total number of boxes in this one picture. Here there are a total of 560 boxes. If I click on every single box here and watch the ads, provided that I'm able to earn $1.50 with each ad, I can earn $840 with this one picture. You can see here below that the clicks are going to reset daily at midnight server time, which means after 12 AM, the boxes right here, they're going to refresh. you can click on them again on the following day and visit different websites. As simple as that. The good thing about this is that once you finish one picture, you can go on to another picture and repeat the same process. I've got a bonus tip for you. Sometimes on some random boxes that you click, you're actually able to unlock some video ads, as you can see here. If you land on one, you're in for so much luck because that means you can earn double the usual amount of money set for each ad. All you have to do is make sure to stay and watch the video for how long it plays, and as soon as the video finishes, that's when you earn your money. The thing is, most of the boxes contain normal ads, so it's kind of rare to catch video ads. I want to share with you another bonus tip. It's that when you visit a certain website after clicking on a box, if they have banner ads, make sure to click on them. Once you do, you're able to go visit another website. If you see more than one banner ad, be sure to click on all of them and perform the same process. This way you can earn extra money. Again, just make sure to stay on the website the banner ads take you to. Stay there for 30 seconds and then receive your money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. Another thing I like about this website is that they actually pay you extra bonus money if you're the best earner of the month. So the more boxes and the more ads that you click on, the more money you can earn online. A simple algorithm. On top of that, you're gonna receive bonus money every single month. I want to give you a final bonus tip where you can earn extra money by just referring other people and inviting your friends, groups, or your family right to come join on this website. You can actually receive extra money by doing this. Plus, you get to help people get on the money-making process. A lot of people are able to make money online on this website by simply referring to other people. And whenever they're friends, if they make money, they get to earn a percentage from it. There are just so many opportunities provided by this website. It's very simple that anyone can do this, even you. And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.